Hello and welcome to this new video in which we're going to talk to you about few proven strategies and tips for you to fast track landing your dream job. Right? Ready for that? Wonderful. So, securing your first job can be challenging, undoubtedly. I mean, since it's a first job, you don't know the rules of the game, you have no experience and you would be struggling. So don't worry about that. Take help of a mentor or someone who has done this securing first job, and you can find more ways that are proven. And that's the purpose of this video also. But with the right approach, you can increase your chances of getting your first job. Now, what you need to do is to begin by crafting a compelling Upwork profile. So, Upwork is a good place for people who are looking building jobs first time because it offers you a place to build your profile for a freelance work, get noticed, and also keep looking out for the right opportunities for you. Now, in this compelling Upwork profile, what you need to do is to highlight your skills and showcase any relevant projects or personal initiatives that you have taken. Now, since you are a first timer, you might lack experience, which is all good. You need to focus on building a robust portfolio that demonstrates your capabilities, right? Now, to land your first job on Upwork, what you need to do is to consider offering your services at a competitive rate initially to attract clients, right? And in doing that, you need to emphasize your eagerness to learn and showcase your dedication through personalized cover letters that you use to apply. Now, starting your first job can be nerve-wracking, no doubt. But on the first day, if you have a physical job obtained at Upwork, arrive early, dress professionally, and be open to learning. And even if it's an online job, you can do that. You can, if you have an online meeting at 9 a.m., you can be a little early at 8:55. You can dress professionally and be open to learning. So all this is good for both offline and online job. What you need to do also is to establish good communication with your colleagues and show positive attitude, right? You need to establish a good rapport with the people that you're going to work, because if they like you, you are likely to get noticed, you're likely to get a lot more support than otherwise. Now, if you are aiming for an IT job, acquire relevant certifications and showcase your technical skills on your resume. You would have, how can you do that? You obviously need to do projects and you need to show the work that you've shown, that you have done on your resume. Attend networking events and connect with professionals in the field to expand your opportunities that you have. During your first job interview, express your passion for the role, focus on the transferable skills if you lack direct experience, right? So focus on transferable skills, like if you are an IT person, you can talk about the languages that you know. If you are a non-IT person, you can talk about communication, problem solving skills, etc., etc. Research the company thoroughly, and that will help you demonstrate your genuine interest in the role. It's always good to refer back to the company's website and hey sir, I've had a look at this. It's very good to see that this is what you're aiming to do, and I'll be happy to contribute to help the company reach there. For a quicker job search, explore various job platforms that go beyond Upwork, leverage social media, attend job fairs, and utilize professional networking sites. Tailor your resume to match the specific job requirements to stand out in the application process. And how can you do that? We have a whole course dedicated on Udemy that you can go and take a look at, which tells you how can you create a resume that matches specific job requirements. And there are enough examples to illustrate and for you to learn well. To uncover hidden job opportunity, network extensively and tap into industry specific forums. We have a course on how can you network and uncover hidden job opportunities. You can just need to scroll down in the description of this video and take a look at the link, and it teaches extensively along with assignments that can help you actually start getting calls for the jobs that you're looking for. Now, in that, you need to craft a compelling pitch that highlights your unique strengths and make you memorable to potential employers. And we have a whole lecture dedicated to that, along with some interesting assignments for you to actually apply that. Now, if you're in your quest for the job, maintain a positive mindset. Very important, because and consider incorporating a daily prayer for job opportunity, because such things do help. The universe is much larger than what we are, and a positive mindset works in line with the Newton's law. If you are positive, if you send positive vibes into the universe, you get that vibe back positively multiplied as you go forward. Also, this can provide you comfort and motivation during the job search journey. So please feel free to message me if you have any questions that I can help you with to apply some of the things or even learn more. And do feel free to connect with me if you need your assistance to get a job that you're looking for, being a first timer, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I do look forward to see you again sometime somewhere.